Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove local files from your Spotify. Before I get started, forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You're on the road trip with your favorite Spotify playlist blasting. You're just about to hit your killer song when your phone loses network connection. Thankfully, you had the first site to download your playlist to your phone so that you can keep listening even when there's no network connection at all. On my previous video, I've shown you how to add the local files music on your Spotify, but now, what if for some reason maybe you want to remove your local files music from your Spotify? How to do it? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Spotify. Now, from here, you can go to your profile. You can select on your profile. You can go to settings. Now you can just scroll down until you find there is an option in your library. And here there is an option show local files. You can just disable this feature by select on the toggle in here. And also here you can just disable, you can remove the file that you just import to your Spotify. So when you open your Spotify homepage, there's no more local files on your Spotify. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove local files from your Spotify. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.